I am whipping up a concoction that is a pineapple banana detox smoothie that's amazing. Bye, Mom. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ashley. I make videos on food, health, fitness, and some random bits at times. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe because it really helps me out. And of course, if you like this video, remember to give it a like. That way I know you like this type of content and I can continue making this type of content just for you. So in today's video, I am whipping up a concoction that is a pineapple banana detox smoothie that's amazing. Can't wait for you guys to try it. But before I get into that, I just want to say one of my favorite things about living in Guyana is our people. Guyanese people are warm, we're friendly, we're generous, but most importantly, we straight up. So when we feel like something ain't right, we can tell you it's ain't right. If we feel we get wrong, we can sort it out. So that's a little fun fact about my country and my people. We're straight up, but at the same time, we're warm, we're friendly, we're generous, we're just good people to be around, good people to get to know, right? Okay, so let's get into the video finally. So here's what you'll need. Not a whole pineapple, just a slice or two, a small apple, a banana, and spinach, an all-time fave. Adding everything to my cup, starting with pineapple, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Apples, great source of fiber, and for the potassium, we got the banana. Any basic detox smoothie is gonna have some type of leafy vegetable, you know, like kale or spinach. I prefer spinach. It's extremely nutrient rich with lots of vitamin C, K, iron, and calcium. Next, 3 cubes of ice and 1 cup water. Now we're gonna blend all that up. So I like to use this in the mornings for a refreshing way to start my day. It looks so good, right? I know. And of course, you know I had to add the chia seeds on top for added health benefits, you know. Sprinkling that on top right now. And there you have it, a pineapple banana detox smoothie that's so good. Alright guys, well this has been fun. Hope you guys enjoyed your time with me, and of course let me know if you try this pineapple banana concoction, and of course please leave a comment below with some of your favorite recipes for smoothies so that I can try it too. Until I see you next time, remember to live a fit 360 lifestyle, healthy body, healthy mind always, and I will see you next time right here on my channel. Mwah. Bye-bye. Paul! I'm done!